Credit bosses, you're going to relate to this. When your credit repair business starts growing, the messages, questions, and update requests start coming nonstop. Clients want timelines, updates, explanations, and if you're doing everything manually, it becomes impossible to keep up. And here's why this happens. Most credit pros communicate in different places: email, text, DMs, portals, and none of it is organized. So you end up answering the same questions over and over. Here's the simple concept that fixes this. Create one communication system where your clients know exactly where to go for updates and where all your responses stay in one place. So here's one action you can take today. Set one communication rule. This creates structure and reduces message overload instantly. And here's the benefit. You stay organized, clients feel supported. Want to be a credit boss? Get Mark's free training? Just visit the link in the description below.